Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the BMW M8 in Forza Horizon 5. To get started, you'll primarily look for it as a reward in seasonal events. These events rotate regularly, so staying updated on the current series is key. Often, you'll need to complete a set of challenges within a specific season to earn enough points for the car. It's a fun way to engage with the game and expand your garage. Beyond seasonal events, the auction house is a great place to find the BMW M8. Other players often list their cars for sale, giving you a chance to buy one directly. Prices can vary significantly based on demand and rarity, so keep an eye on the market. You might need to be patient and check frequently, but it's a reliable method if you have the credits. The festival playlist is your central hub for tracking seasonal progress and rewards. Always review the current playlist to see if the BMW M8 is listed as a prize for completing specific challenges or earning enough points. While less common, some exclusive cars can also be part of the car pass or other downloadable content, so keep those options in mind too. To maximize your chances of getting the BMW M8, consistently participate in the festival playlist. Complete daily and weekly challenges to accumulate points quickly. Also, save your credits, as a good deal on the M8 might pop up in the auction house when you least expect it. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Happy racing, and I hope you enjoy your new BMW M8.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.